To set up an American Express gift card, start by carefully reviewing the card and its packaging for any instructions or important information. Next, locate the gift card number, expiration date, and security code, as these will be required for activation and use. The first step in setting up your American Express gift card is to activate it. This can typically be done online or over the phone, and you will need to provide the required card information. Visit the American Express website and navigate to the gift card activation page, or call the phone number provided on the card or packaging. Once you have activated your card, you can register it online to manage your account and track your balance. To do this, go to the American Express website and create an account using your gift card number and other required information. This will allow you to view your balance, transaction history, and other account details. When using your American Express gift card, it is essential to keep track of your balance to avoid declined transactions. You can check your balance online or by calling the phone number on the back of the card. It is also important to note that American Express gift cards can be used anywhere American Express is accepted, both online and in stores. To add an extra layer of security to your gift card, consider adding a PIN. This can be done online or over the phone, and will require you to provide your card information and choose a PIN. With a PIN, you can use your gift card to make purchases at ATMs or other locations that require a PIN. Finally, be sure to review the terms and conditions of your American Express gift card, including any fees or restrictions on use. This will help you understand how to get the most out of your card and avoid any potential issues. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily set up and use your American Express gift card.